Tea fam, it's your girl Princess. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. If you can see in front of me, I have Subway again. But this time, let me show you what I have and let me explain to you what I have and why I have it again. So, I have, of course, let me show you first. I have, open it up so you can see what I have. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have tuna again. I love Subway's tuna, and I know I had it the other day, but this time this sandwich was completely free. I didn't pay anything for this sandwich, and let me explain to you why I didn't pay anything, and this is the reason why I'm doing this video. So I signed up with Subway Rewards, and if you sign up, you put your mobile number in, they text you a coupon for a free sub. The only thing I had to purchase was this drink here. And with taxes, this drink was $1.88. So you can't beat that. And of course, I got this time I didn't get a whole bunch of stuff on the side. And I didn't get onions because the onions just like took over my sandwich. It was really, really strong. And like I said, I love red onions, but it took over my sandwich. So not this time. But I got some banana peppers on the side. And I just dropped one. But I got some on the side. Okay, let me just put this over here. And I'm just going to put some banana peppers. I think the banana peppers gives it like this. It just gives it this taste to it. It just makes it so much better. But I like to not have a whole bunch, just for a little bit of flavor. It adds a little bit of a different flavor to the sandwich, but it's so good. Okay, so I'm just going to put that on my sandwich. And I'm going to put these to the side. And again, I got some, because I like this so much the last time I had it. I got some cranberry mustard. Oh, so I'm going to dip my sandwich in the cranberry mustard. And we're going to get started. Okay. Oh, and for the drink that I had to buy, which was only $1.88. And this is a 30-ounce drink. Okay, let me just show you without spilling it. This is the Acia and pomegranate vitamin water. I didn't even know Subway had vitamin water in the fountain, which I was happy about because I don't drink any of the other sodas or iced teas. So when I saw that, I was like, perfect. All right. So let's get into eating this. You know I love the tuna. It's so good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. The tuna is so good. Oh, wait a minute. Let me move this out of the way. Move it to the side. Move it over here so you can't see it. I'm going to dip it in the cranberry mustard. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. On my sub, I got the regular stuff that I usually get. Cucumbers, green peppers, the banana peppers, lettuce. And I also get a little bit of extra mayo, regular mayo. And I have them add oil and vinegar on it. And this is just their white bread, Italian bread. This vitamin water is really good. Look at that, tea fam. Look at that. Oh, it's dripping. Mm. It's so tasty. I love good food. I really do. I'm just reaching over to get some banana peppers. I love these. They're so good. So really good. So good. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I hope everyone had an amazing day. Today was a relaxing day. For me, I didn't do too much. I went to got a few groceries. I love the grocery store. I love me some grocery store. I'm always in the grocery store. As you can tell, you see fam. You already know me. I'm always in the store. But I enjoy going to the store. I always find something new to spend money on. It's all good though. So, I just wanted to get on to share with you. If you like Subway, you want to get a free 6-inch sub with the purchase of a 30-ounce drink, sign up for Subway Rewards and they will text you a coupon to your phone to get a free 6-inch sub. So, I'm about saving money any way, shape, form that I can. So, make sure you get your free sandwich. All right, I just wanted to let everyone know, all the tea fam. And on that note, I'm gonna go. I hope everyone's having a blessed and beautiful day. And bye.